So welcome to this class once again. Today we are going to look at splitting of NumPy array. We did joining the other time, so we did joining. So today is going to be splitting. So let me just put splitting here. So splitting now. Now how do you do splitting? So splitting is just the reverse or the opposite of joining. You want to split it to several arrays, from single to two or more arrays. You understand? So that's what we are looking at today. Now, what I will just do, I want to use the previous class as a benchmark to, or as a springboard to convey the message clearly to you on how splitting works. So you see that splitting is just the reverse. So now we did this concatenate array stuff like this. So now we have this one. So let me reprint this one again. So let me run this one. So you have this. I want to do it in a way that I can split it back. I can split it. Now for you to split, we have join, we have talked about join. So if we print that one, we got this single one. So let me remove all those ones here, so not get confused about it. Now okay, so I'll come back to the next one. So this is single dimension. So this is, let me create a cell in between there. Create a cell. Let me create a cell in between. So okay. So now you have this now. So now we are going to split it back. Let me just we're going to split it back to stuff. So please, I'm trying to insert a cell. Okay. Oh, sorry. Insert a cell below this. So I want to just insert a cell below that. So I run it. When I run this one, of course, I got that. So I want to split it back. So I'll take array join now. Take array join, and I will split it. So let me just say array. So use array split. To use array split to do that. So you just put your, sorry, it's NumPy. No, it's not. It's np. Sorry, np.array. So you put your array you want to split. So I'll say array join. So it's array join. So I'm going to say I want to split it to two arrays. So I'm going to split it in this case to two arrays. So let me equate it to array split. Let me just call it array split. Array, let me just say sp. Array sp equals to this. So I just want to save it in that variable. So I have this np array split. Now let's print our stuff. Let's see what it's going to give us. Array. Let me just say print array split. Oh, print array split. Yeah. Print array split. So let's look at what it's going to give us. If I run it now, you can see now. So it has splitted it. You can splitted it to what it was before. 2468. You can see it now. This is splitting. This is splitting. It has splitted it here. So this is the first array, the second array. So that is first array. So this is how it was before. So it has splitted it. So let's move to the next one, the 2D. Remember that I did this one in the previous class. So you have to watch the previous video and get this one. So that is where I got this data from when I did the join. So I'm going to split this guy back again. So when we run this guy, so we got this one. So I want to split it back. When I split it back, it's going to give me this one back. So that's what I'm doing now. So now, how do I do it? So np.array split. Array split. Okay. So when I do np.array split, let me just say split. Let me just call it split here. Split. So array split. So I'll put the array I want to split. The name of the array, which is join one. Then I'll put them in several ways I want to split it. Let me say I want to split it to 2. So it's going to split it to 2 back. If it's 3, fine, you can do that. So let's print it out. Let's print split. Print split. Okay. Print split now. So I have it. So you can see now that this is 2D. So I've splitted it back to this stuff. So you can split and split to different dimensions or different kind of, but it must be splittable. Like this now, one, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three. I may not be able to split to three places, but before you split, just make sure that it's tally, like it's something that can, that can, at the end, conform or converge to what you want to split it to. Like if it's two, the element must be enough to go around within that two. If you are splitting to two, it must be equal. So that's what I mean. Okay. So that's for splitting. So that's for splitting. Thank you very much. Just a very brief class. So we look for at other, you know, stuff like sorting and stuff like that. So in next in the future class. Thank you very much and stay well.